beautiful day. Perfect day. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and I am doing bike edition. Enjoying the weather while it lasts. You know, we're getting closer and closer to cold weather, which I still plan to ride the bike. So today I'm doing a little test. I don't have my external microphone hooked up. I'm using the Media Mod microphone on the GoPro 10. I just upgraded to a GoPro 10. I bit the bullet, bought it. So far I like it. Not really watched the footage yet, so I don't know. But I do know there's a lot of cyclists out. I like that. A lot of bikes in general. It's a nice day. So I'm at Crab Orchard National Wildlife Refuge here in Williamson County. Beautiful Williamson County. And what I will do is I'll make a little loop around the auto loop. Probably go out to the lake, the causeway, check it out. And then make my way towards Carterville to ride through some of that area, which is what I normally do. Haha, cool. I forget this GoPro 10 has a selfie mode where you can actually see yourself on the front when you do a selfie. So that's a big reason I upgraded. So basically, a long time ago, I bought a DJI action camera. Forget what it's called, may just be DJI action camera, I don't know. But it has a selfie screen built in, and built-in stabilization and all that. It's a really good camera. The only thing is, to get it into selfie mode, you gotta like push a button, and I don't know if you can record. I can't remember. Uh-oh, got a road hazard. Sorry folks, had to pass a car. People like to view wildlife here, you know, that's fine, I don't mind passing. Anyway, that DJI camera is pretty nice, but I'm just wanting to see if the 10 is better than it. So that's kind of my test, my wonder here. This 10 is supposed to have, you know, the improvement of the, which came with the 9, with the selfie screen. But the 10 is also supposed to have much better stabilization. And that's what I'm looking for, smooth stabilization. So I don't want to put a gimbal on a camera, because that's one extra thing I have to worry about. Usually you have to get electronic gimbals that take batteries and whatnot. And it's a pain because they go dead quicker than your cameras and all that. So it's just something I don't like to deal with. You know, I'd rather deal with a something like this. You know, the only true thing that's lacking in the GoPro features, the one thing that would just be perfect, is if they had, you know, a touch zoom or some sort of zoom function that you could do while the camera's rolling. That's the only thing they're missing. If they can master that on this little camera, it'd be perfect. It would be perfect. Because I mean, it's waterproof, has a selfie mode, built-in stabilization. I mean, there's so many wonderful features of a GoPro. I love using a GoPro as my main camera. I was using the 8. I'm excited about continuing with the 10 and using the 8 for like B-roll type stuff. But a zoom feature would be perfect. Going into Carterville, it's like my one hill. So that's where I got to look out for traffic. Make sure no one's going to run me over. Recording? Yeah. So yeah, the GoPro 9 had issues turning off or turning back on, or the GoPro 8 did. I'm really hoping the 10 is not inheriting whatever that was. Heard something about the camera likes to overheat. Haven't ran into that. Used it quite a bit. Pretty humid conditions. So far so good. At least it doesn't feel hot. Of course I have it in media mod chassis, but nothing to report. It's not giving me any error. So I'm curious about the stabilization, mainly because I have my camera in a mode which, or I'm sorry, in a mount where I can swivel it. I could turn it, so I could turn it towards me. I don't have to like do something crazy to get it to turn towards me. So because of that, when I get on bumpy terrain, I get a little bit of a vibration. So Carterville, or I assume Williamson County or whoever, had this road built some years back, a couple years back. There's nothing on this road. Like on the other side there is. I guess maybe it's easier to get to those roads, I don't know. But as far as this road goes, there's nothing. Just a bunch of property for sale. So there's the chickens, the roosters. So mainly roosters. So there they are. In case you've never seen it before. It's kind of funny. There's one chicken over there. Two maybe. I think those are chickens. Anyway, lots of roosters. Lots of competition. And so I was told the fella who owned all this stuff, who was building this miniature golf course, which I gotta tell you, I love miniature golf. I love it. Well, he died tragically. From what I hear, he fell off a ladder, and I guess he succumbed to his injuries. So he had some beef with DOT. I don't know what. Maybe when they put that road where it was a do not enter or something like that. I don't know. I don't really know that story, but I do know he was building some really neat things, and I really would have enjoyed that Goofy Golf. Kind of wish someone would take it over and kind of finish it, maybe in his memory or something, you know. And the only other Goofy Golf I know of, well, I think there's one at Marion Park, but there's one at LBL area at Patty's Settlement, 1880 Settlement. Me and Michelle went and played it. Oh, Michelle was a little competitive. Sorry, the camera rolled back. Okay, this road in particular is a road that has a lot of bumps, so I'm really curious what the footage will look like back in Crab on Research Road over by SIU Coal. Pretty cool little area here, but there's some gnarly potholes you gotta watch for up here by the first turn into the coal campus. So real quick here, I have a night rider light, which is probably the best. It's an expensive light. It's 1200 luminous at high burst. I don't keep it on that. It wouldn't last that long, but also got a back one. Really nice bundle. 140 bucks at Bike Surgeon of Illinois in Carterville. Go check them out, go buy it, shop local. Anyway, this light is so good that bugs instantly get attracted to it and just go right for my mouth. So I have to kind of shut it off. So, nice light, Night Rider. Alright guys, back at the truck. Did 20.7 miles, 493 foot elevation. Average speed was 14 miles per hour. And it was a good ride. So I really enjoyed it, you know. Always enjoy it. See, my max speed was 29.5 miles per hour. Total time was 1 hour, 29 minutes, 43 seconds. Total moving time, ride time, 1 hour, 28 minutes, 55 seconds. Average heart rate, 119 BPM. Max, 157. So, gotta go. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. My battery's about to die. Until next time, I'll see you on the trail.